guy teaching those Muslims to get closer to God or to get closer to jinns? They're jinns. You know, I've never heard anything like this before, and this certainly isn't the language of God. You know, when we think about getting closer to God, we don't do such things as the Muslims do. What we witnessed here with the Sufi Muslims seems to be closer to devil worship. It's outrageous, gross, and bizarre, and it comes from people living in darkness and ignorance. I hope Muslims can view things like this and come to realize that Islam practices are not from God, but from something evil. Jesus is the only savior for the Muslims, and they need to find him soon.